Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today I want to talk to you about something that happens very frequently with especially first-time vapor honing experiences, or matter of fact, anybody that's ever vapor honed at some point in their life this has happened, especially with aluminum parts. Now this one actually turned out fairly well, but a lot of times what will happen is you will see these stripes or these spots on this part once you're through cleaning it up. That's basically what they call hot spotting. It's just a lack of consistency with your blasting pattern, or you're holding it too long in one spot and it creates these hot spots or stripes on the part. The easiest way to fix that, and this is going to be our makeshift blast gun right now, but if you've blasted this part and you were blasting it like this and you've got those stripes in it, you're going to want to go back and blast the part this direction. You're going to also want to go back over it again this way, and possibly even have to come back at an angle across this part. But if you try those three steps, 98% of the time you'll pull out those stripes that are on there. It's a common thing that happens. Everybody, and I mean everybody that's ever blasted these parts, has hot spotted them. Don't worry about it, there's a way to fix it. But if you have any questions about that, give me a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.